Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use your EBT card on the Walmart app. Here's a quick guide to help you set it up. These are the main three steps. I will show you all the steps. First, head over to your Walmart app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on your account icon on the bottom right corner. Then select account. Here you can see this setting option. Click on it. After that, click on wallet and manage add a payment method. Select electronic benefit transfer, which is EBT card. After that, fill in the details, your first name, last name, and the card number, and save it. Once you have saved, your EBT card will be ready to use. And now during checkout, just choose EBT as your payment method when shopping eligible items, either for pickup or delivery. And that's it. If this video helped, give it a like, share with others, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.